It's, a little heavier in spots just east of town. If you're taking I-70 east toward Lyman, you're going to find quite a bit more snow there. I'll show you radar in just a minute. At less than an inch of additional snow expected here in Denver. That snow is going to turn to rain a little later today, but our temperatures are going to still be about 30 degrees below normal. Typically low 70s this time of year, not today. In fact, take a look at some of these alerts. We do still have a winter weather advisory. This was issued late yesterday, and you can see there in purple still covers a good portion of the metro area and our foothills. These winter weather advisories in effect through the early morning for the good 2 to 6 inches of snow that we had here in Denver. It was a lot heavier there along the Palmer Divide. Look at this little surge right here. I'll show you that coming up in just a minute, but we also have heavy snow down near Pueblo, heavier snow up near the Colorado and Wyoming border, and then that little pocket a little closer to Lyman, where this is what it looks like right now on our Viera wireless camera. So a pretty good little hit of snow that is moving in our direction. We're likely going to see another little round of light to moderate snow through the early morning, and temperatures definitely cold enough for that. We're at 32 in Littleton, 33 in Longmont, and 32 in Aurora. When you factor in a wind of about 5 to 10 miles per hour, it's 20. That's what it feels like at the airport. 21 in Aurora. So make sure you bundle up. Kids are going to want a jacket, a hat, maybe even boots, maybe not snow boots, but rain boots, something to keep their feet dry, because on the playground it's going to be pretty slushy. Here's a look at Futurecast. Now, within the next 12 to 24 hours, we're going to continue to see more light snow here in town, which then switches over to rain in some spots as our temperatures climb into the 40s. Winds will still make that feel more like 30s, though, this afternoon, and then it's going to be, again, a cold night tonight. We'll see by early tomorrow morning, skies gradually clearing a bit, more cloud cover and fog early tomorrow morning, and back down to near freezing. So we're likely going to see some freeze warnings and frost advisories, especially out on the eastern plains where we're in, again, the middle of growing season right now. As far as temperatures for the next few days, a bit more of a warm up. Here's a look at the Super 7-day. The risk of severe weather today is going to shift a little farther east of our state. Yesterday it clipped most of southeastern Colorado. Now it's shifting east as obviously the storm moves with it. So the bullseye is going to be right over Missouri today. Tomorrow it's cool. We're going to be in the mid to upper 50s for highs. You might find that kids have a lot of canceled practices today. Tomorrow we could get a few afternoon storms. Temperatures will be back in the 50s, so if they do have practice, they're going to want to wear a sweatshirt. There is going to be a few late day storms, so fields could be pretty wet, if not muddy, after some of this snow melts here in the next 24 hours. By Thursday, we're at 60, so it's a little better. Sunshine returning to our forecast, and by the end of the week, Friday, it's going to be a mostly sunny, pretty beautiful day. We're close to 70 on Friday, and then mid to upper 70s this weekend. We'll talk a little more about the Boulder on Monday, Jason, but those afternoon storms shouldn't mess with the morning run.